Okay, this technique here is called scratching. And what you have to do is make sure that you have dry paint, because wet paint won't scratch properly. And the way you tell if it's wet or dry is you put your hand on it, and if it feels cool, then it's still wet. If it doesn't feel cool, then it's pretty much dry. So what you want to do is scratch the surface. Not deep. And generally, you want to take a hobby knife like this and scratch the surface to form white lines. And those white lines can be painted on. So if you need to have a lighter tone line, then you can scratch it into your surface and then paint on top of it. And if you work it just right, it'll skip, giving you dots. If you press a little harder, it will give you less dots and more of a line.